Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake layered Oreo dessert in a cup. For this quick and simple recipe, you need the following ingredients: Oreo cookie sandwiches, heavy whipping cream, and Hershey's chocolate syrup. First, we need to crush some Oreo cookie sandwiches. We are going to crush 18 Oreo cookie sandwiches to make 8 cups of the Oreo dessert. Since I don't have a rolling pin, I'm going to use this log-shaped container to crush the Oreo cookies. You can also use a food processor to crush the cookies. There you go. The Oreo doesn't have to be super fine when you crush them. Now I'm going to whisk this heavy whipping cream for a few minutes until it makes soft peaks. I'm going to use this whole bottle. It's 1 pint or 16 fluid ounce. Put the whisk on the highest setting. We're going to divide this in 2 equal parts and we're going to mix the Hershey's chocolate syrup in 1/2. On this half, I'm going to put some Hershey's syrup. We're going to add just enough. Fold the syrup into the cream to create a brown color. We're going to gently fold the syrup into the cream so we do not knock off any air that we've created while whipping. I'm going to put the brown colored whipped cream on a piping bag as well as the white colored ones. Ready to layer our Oreo dessert. I have 3 small cups for our dessert. First, we're going to do the crushed Oreo sandwiches. Press down on the Oreos to flatten them at the bottom. This is gonna be the first layer. We just pipe the whipped cream on the 4 sides first and then we're going to flood the middle. Going to repeat the process. No-bake layered Oreo cup dessert. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and food related videos. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.